Okay, here we are on the 2007 Bennington 2577 FS pontoon boat. We just launched it. It's got a Yamaha 250 horsepower four-stroke motor. Boat's 25 feet long. It does feature the double bimini. The boat has 217 hours on the engine. It does have a Humminbird GPS system with depth sonar. Seating capacity is 14 people, or 2,050 pounds. It's got wet bar, lots of cup holders. It does have snap-in carpet, which I don't have in right now. I like to keep it clean, so I can put it in. Lots of cup holders, speakers, front loungers that swivel and recline. A long lounger there, a nice seat there. In-floor storage for skis and wakeboards. It does have this little cooler coffee table thing. Nice seating area, no rips, no tears. The vinyl is virtually perfect. Back sun deck. I've got the cover inside of here now, but this is where the battery switch is. There's two batteries in there. There's lots of storage, and there's more storage up under this one too, as you can see. A lot of storage on this boat. Alright, I'll take it up to speed with another video.